Who is the angry giant in your dreams, whose eyes they flash and flame like lamplight beams, whose echoed steps into your day pursue? The sound is like the song you can't unhear, the serenade of chase begun anew, of darkest dreams that baptize you to fear. And with each break of day you are reborn. The giants haunt you long into the morn. Echo, stutter, echo, return again. We run and run from titans made of man, awakened as a creature split in twain, both runner and from what a giant ran. Love is sweet, night is long, the sky is blue. The giant in your dreams is always you.